Alright, homework 20 is a different type of homework. Mainly because you're not solving systems. All it says is to graph lines on the coordinate plane. Okay? We got two equations that are already set up, ready to go, and we can do that. But we have two that aren't ready to be graphed. We have to solve them for y. Typically, that's what we want to do. There are other methods to graph, but we're going to stick with what we know for now, and we'll work on it later to solve, to graph it without having to be in the y equals mx plus b form. And so let's get these final two ready to graph. All right, let me jump over to here. That first equation, hold on. Okay, I got it written down now so we can actually work with it. We want to solve for y, and you're going to solve it like we've been doing, like solve for a variable. So we have to get rid of this x stuff. We have to get rid of the negative 3, and we can get y by itself there. To get rid of the negative 2x, you add 2x to both sides. The 21 and the 2x don't combine, so you just get 21 plus 2x. We got to get rid of this negative 3 bit here in front of y, so divide both sides by negative 3. You get y equals, remember, when you got multiple things on top and only one thing on bottom, it's the top items, each one of them, divided by this bottom item, okay? So 21 divided by negative 3 gets you negative 7. 2x divided by negative 3 gives you negative 2/3 x, okay? Now this is in a usable form that we can graph with. So let's put that down instead of this here. We now have what we got here. So y equals negative 7 minus 2/3 x. Nice. Okay, and this other equation, we need to solve for y again. So distribute the 2 to get 2x minus 6y equals 30. I want to get rid of the 2x minus 2x to get negative 6y equals 30 minus 2x. I'm going to divide by the negative 6, divide by the negative 6. Remember, everything on top gets divided by what's on bottom, so 30 divided by negative 6 gives me negative 5. Negative 2x divided by negative 6 gives me a positive 26x. This 26 is the same thing as 1/3. So we actually get y is equal to negative 5 plus 1/3 x. And so this part is actually in the form that we're pretty used to graphing. That's the y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so let's add that to our list of things to graph. And I'm going to put it here. Y equals negative 5 plus 1/3 x plus 1/3 x. Sometimes really hard to write on this. Okay, and we almost have all our equations. We just need to get this first one on there. Y equals 2x minus 4. So that's y equals 2x minus 4. Okay, and we have all the equations on here now, I think. And we're gonna do them all in a different color for reference. So let's start with the first one we got on our line, which is y equals 2x minus 4. Let me get this so it's not overlapping with the other ones. We got a y-intercept of negative 4, so go down, put a dot there. And we got a slope of 2, so you go up 2, right 1, put a dot. Up 2, right 1, put a dot. Up 2, right 1, put a dot. Alright, let me get a pretty sweet line going here. And it looks like that. First one, done. Let's jump over to a green color to graph this guy here. As a y-intercept of positive 1, so put a dot there. And it has a slope of 2/5. That's a rise of 2 and a run of 5. So go up 2, right 5, put a dot down. Up 2, right 5. You can put another dot. Or you can go the other way, down to left 5 to get a dot there, down to left 5 to get another dot, which is there-ish. You can use those to draw a beautiful line across. That's not as beautiful as the first one. To get your line across there, like that. Okay? We're going to graph the next one in orange, because we can. Okay, that's that guy right there. The -5 is our y-intercept, so we're going to put a little dot there at -5. And it has a slope of 1/3, so that's up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. And use those to draw your line. You only need 2. I put more because it helps me keep my line straight. And we're on to our last one, which we should actually just put in the blue, because we haven't done blue yet. It has a y-intercept of -7, which is actually down here, clear at the bottom. And it has a slope of -2/3, right? I can't go down from here, my graph's like done. So I'm going to go up to left 3, so I can keep it on my graph. Up to left 3, put a dot there. Up to left 3, up to left 3, and my graph, my last graph goes like that. And I missed like all my points. There we go. And I tried not to curve, but no guarantees. Okay, ta-da! Your graph should look something like this. Ta-da!